How to fix your connection is not private error, problem solved. If any day you are a Google Chrome user and you're facing the problem like your connection is not private error and you're quite frustrated, do not worry as we have got the perfect solution for this. For this, first of all, you have to check whether you're connected to a stable internet connection or not. That may be your Wi-Fi connection or your data connection as well. After that, you have to go to the option of the settings on the top and then go to the very search icon on your mobile device. After that, you have to search apps on your mobile device, and after you search apps, now you can see that the interface like this will appear where there are a list of various kind of applications on your mobile device. After you see that in the search icon, you have to search Chrome out there, and after you search Chrome out there, now you can see the interface like this. You have to tap on the first option, that is Chrome, like this. After you tap on that, you can see the next interface, which is this. Now you have to tap on the option of notification. You have to enable allow the notifications and allow sound and vibration. Now you have to go back once again and then go to the option of permissions. After you tap on permission, you have to allow the permission to camera, location, microphone, music and audio, notification. You also have to allow the permission to the contacts out there, and you also need to allow the permission to the nearby devices by tapping on allow and then go back again. After going back, now you have to go to the option of the storage there, and after tapping on storage, if you see any of the cache, you have to clear down the cache and then go back again. Now what you have to do is you have to go to the app details and store, but before moving to app details and store, you have to tap on the option of force stop out there, and after tapping on the force stop, now you have to tap on the option of the app details and store, and if you see the option of update, you have to tap on update, and after you update it by just force stopping it, your problem may be solved. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.